So now we are going through IMM 1344E, application to sponsor, sponsorship agreement and undertaking. If you are ineligible to do, and if you take anything out of this, we do it at your own risk because neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government one. I select no. Language preference for correspondent, I select English. Is there co-signer? I'm just doing in our case sample. Family, now this is for principal applicant. So I'll put Peter's detail. Date, when date of birth of Peter, 10, 10. Principal applicant is your parent. Okay. Sponsor personal detail. So this is John's detail in our case. Have you used any other Nepal? I select no. Male. Date of birth. Let's say 19. Just sample. Dates of birth. Status in Canada. Date when you obtained. Let's say you obtained in 2016. Yeah. He definitely has a unique client identifier, but just because it's a purpose of sample video, I'm not putting UCI, but like if you have, definitely put that. Definitely you have, like if you're sponsoring. And next it is asking uh, full name at a time of becoming PR. I select yes, same. Marital status, I select single. Have you previously been married in common relationship? I select no. Contact information is in Canada. Sponsor, okay, sponsor information. City, town, let's say wow. Street name. I'm just putting sample, but you do properly as per your situation. Postal code, yeah, sample. Residential address, same, yeah. Phone number, so he's in Canada, so he has Canadian number. I'm just putting sample, guys. Okay. Email address, write it properly, not like this. Sponsor residential declaration. Are you current citizen living exclusively outside Canada? So I select no. Immediately after my spouse or conjugal partner dependent children be of consent, I intend to live in. Okay, yes or no. Eligibility. Are you 18 years here? As citizen person, yes. Special class or family class? Yes, he is doing. Do you reside in Canada? Yes. In the past, did you become was being sponsored? No. Submit a previous application? No. Social assistance? No. Bankruptcy? No. Responsible for receive social assistance? I select no. Post sign undertaking? No. Have you ordered to leave Canada? No. Required payments? No. In prison jail? No. Serious offense? No. Default? No. Subject or Canadian citizenship? No. Report on inadmissibility? No. No. Validation is important. Oh, signature. So digital sign means put the name, okay, and then date. And then sign. So I'll just John. Principal Peter is the principal applicant. So I'll put Peter's name. Okay, but this is just about filling the form, but details and all, verify it at least two times, and then upload. Okay, so let's go back to the checklist.